Hi friends, welcome to Hasini Inspirational. Today I'm telling about how to make stud earrings. Let's start. Required materials: kundans and take mirrors also. Studs and stud buttons. Fevicryl glue. Now take the studs and stud buttons and kundans. Apply glue to the kundans and attach the studs to the kundans. Dry the kundans for 5 minutes. Now all the stud earrings are ready. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching my video. Bye bye.